In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the mouse that you're using on your Windows is not working. So let's get started. Press Windows key and R to open the run window. Type devmgmt.msc. It's devmgmt.msc. Hit enter so that we can open the device manager window. Now use the tab key and then use the down arrow key until you can get into mice and other pointing devices. Use the right arrow key to expand the list and then use the down arrow key. Hit enter and then use the tab key, okay? And then use the right arrow key to go to the driver tab. Use the tab key and then you can get into disable device. Hit enter. Then use the left arrow key. Hit enter or hit enter to click on yes. Now once done, you have to use the tab key again and click on OK, hit enter. Do this for the second one. Use the down arrow key and then hit enter. Use the tab key to get into the driver tab. Right arrow key and then tab key. Disable device, hit enter. Left arrow key, hit enter, and then tab key or hit enter. And then press Windows key. Then we have to make a restart, but since we cannot use our mouse, so for that, press Windows key and X key together. Okay, Windows key and X key together. Use the down arrow key. You'll find shutdown or sign out. Hit enter and then click on the restart button by using the down arrow key and hit enter. Once you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically enable all the drivers that we have disabled earlier. But if in case some of the drivers didn't enable after restarting, then you need to go back to the same device manager window. Okay, and then you have to enable it. So you just have to hit enter and then tab key and then tab key again, hit enter. Okay, and then tab key again. Okay, hit enter. And then do it for the second one. Hit enter. Tab key. Right arrow key. Tab key. Hit enter. And then tab key again. Hit enter. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.